Unfortunately, have to come to you guys with nothing but sad and devastating news that two of the three Zion Christian Church members who died after being struck by lightning during a night prayer service at Evran village in Sunabarana in Limpopo were laid to rest this Sunday in Blouberg municipality. You guys, now the deceased Mishibudu Mokhobu of Tau Ga Ramadimang, Glenda Mojaji Nana of Ramanaka, and Repson Motemani of Ivan were attending a church service on Sunday last week when the unfortunate tragedy occurred. You guys, now according to reports, the congregation was conducting an overnight prayer service when heavy rains and storms developed. While congregants were singing, lightning struck a tent that had been erected in an open field. Now 8 people aged between 12 and 56 and believed to be residents of Sifitlampiana village sustained injuries in the incidents and were rushed to a local healthcare facility. 3 of the injured were certified dead on arrival, while remaining 5 were transferred to a nearby hospital for further medical treatment. Guys, we're sending out our deepest and sincere condolences to the families of Mishibudu Mokhobu, Glenda Mojaji, and Repson Mutemani, and may their soul rest in peace.